Hi guys, and this is a new video about TikTok application. So today we will talk how to crop video on TikTok. And unfortunately, I need to say that we don't have this special feature in the TikTok application to crop our video, but we need to do this before posting this new to TikTok in the gallery app. So right now I will show you the process of cropping our video on iPhone and also on Android using the usual camera application and the gallery application too. So let's go to the button if you are interested in it. So first and foremost, we need to shoot a new video to record a new TikTok using the camera application. I did it smoothly, and right now my new video is saved in the gallery app. As you can see, this is my new video I want to post to TikTok, so let's crop it. What means crop? To crop the video, it means that we don't change the length of the video, we don't trim it, but only change the scale of the frame, but only change the picture of our video by increasing or decreasing it. So let's go to the button, and right now we need to go to the edit mode, which is located at the top of the screen. Right now, to crop this video, let's tap on the special crop option at the bottom of the display. And right now, to crop it, let's drag the corner of the square to the right or left side to smoothly manage the scale and the frame of our video. Don't forget that you can also drag the picture here and increase, as I said, or decrease it. So I will save these changes. This is our HardReset.Info logo. And right now, to save our new video, let's click on the Done button, down key. Yes, so right now we have our cropped TikTok, which we have to post on the TikTok application. But what if you have an Android? So right now I'm in the Photos application too, and this is our video which we want to crop. So this is the new shooting, and after we have to pick on the edit option at the bottom. Of course, different Android versions and different phones have another options, another settings, so you can only find the needful option on your device. So right now when we are on the edit mode, let's pick on the crop feature at the bottom too. And in the same way, just only by dragging the square, I need to drag this square using the corner to the right, as I said, or left side, and later decrease, increase the video. So after, when we did it smoothly, we need to tap on the Save Copy option here and wait a minute. After that, we will have the newly saved TikTok, which we have to post on the TikTok account too. So how to do this, how to post this cropped video on TikTok? Just in the usual way. So we have to tap on the TikTok application. And as you can see here on our Android, we have this saved video, which is cropped successfully. So repeat to the settings in our TikTok app. So we are here, we are on TikTok on our profile page, where we have to tap on the plus icon to add a new TikTok. Later, let's pick on the upload option to find our newly selected video from the gallery app. So let's tap on it one time. And as you can see right now, we don't have our video on the full scale, but only cropped, as we chose before. So successfully it's done. Let's pick on the next option to post our tutorial, our TikTok, or going to the drafts section. I will choose the drafts one. And right now my video was smoothly saved to the draft catalog. I can check it, and as I said before, we have the scaled, the cropped video. So guys, if this tutorial was useful and interesting, don't forget about likes, and of course subscribe to our HardReset.Info YouTube and TikTok channels. Bye bye!